Stop scrolling. What if I told you most students in 2026 are secretly using AI to boost their grades legally? Exams are harder, time is short, and distractions never stop. But smart students don't study longer, they study smarter. AI isn't for copying answers, it's for improving how you think. And everything I'm about to show you is fully allowed. Listen closely, because this will change how you study forever. The first method is turning AI into your personal quiz maker. After a lecture or study session, paste your notes into an AI tool like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, and ask it to create active recall questions. Have it hide the answers and make the questions like real exam style. Then test yourself without looking at the answers early. Active recall forces your brain to work, and struggling a little strengthens memory. Science shows this method boosts retention dramatically compared to passive reading. Second, ask AI to explain difficult topics in simple words. You can say, "Explain this like I am 12 years old," or use examples from daily life. When concepts become simple and relatable, understanding improves, fear disappears, and you stop memorizing blindly. AI turns confusing material into something your brain can grasp quickly, saving hours of rewatching lectures. Third, use AI to build a spaced repetition schedule. Paste your chapter summaries or notes and request a 14-day review plan with short daily questions. Start easy and gradually increase difficulty. Reviewing at the right time prevents forgetting. You study once and remember longer. Students using this method see a significant improvement in retention and test performance without extra effort. Fourth, use AI as a strict feedback partner. Write your assignments yourself, then paste them into AI and ask for constructive feedback only. Have it point out weak arguments, unclear sentences, or missing evidence, but do not let it rewrite everything. Fix the issues on your own. This improves your writing, sharpens your thinking, and helps you learn faster, without any risk of plagiarism. Fifth, simulate your real exams with AI. Ask it to create a full mock test based on your syllabus with varied difficulty. Take the test under real conditions, then request grading and explanations of your mistakes. Repeating this 3 to 5 times per subject helps you spot patterns, fix gaps, and walk into exams confident and prepared. Here is a key rule: never submit AI-generated answers directly. Never copy without understanding. Use AI for training, not replacing your brain. That is how you stay ethical and effective. Now, be honest, look at your current study habits. Which of these are you not doing? Active recall, simple explanations, spaced review, feedback correction, or mock exams? Comment the number. I read every comment and will reply with a practical fix. AI will not magically boost your grades, but it can improve your system. And grades always follow systems. Start with one method today. Study smart, stay ethical, and let AI help you learn faster.